Yeah, I wanted to make this quick, useless video to show you the LED lights that I put around my home for Christmas holidays. And the deal here is I want it to be permanent, and I didn't want to get up there and change them every season and taking them on and off. It's just something I just didn't want to do. So I wanted to do a little different than what people normally do for the holidays. And I also can use this throughout the years, you know, like Valentine's and maybe 4th of July, New Year's, because it has a lot of different things that you can use them with the remote. So what you get at the box, in the box, is these. This is 164 feet. And one thing I do need to point out is when you're searching for these, if you're looking for something like I have, you need to get the high voltage LED light strips. The low voltage will not give you the illumination that you're looking for, that you see on my house in the videos. And this is 164 feet as stated before, and I ended up buying two 164 feet and one 98 feet to go around the entire house. And what you get in the box is this. Again, it comes on this spool with 164 on this. It's already attached to the LED controller here. Again, 110 volt. And it comes with this remote here. Changing of the patterns and different colors. Also in the box, it comes with these connectors here, which you can take and put them on. Let me see, you can put them on like so. And that is something that I didn't like. So I went and bought these from Home Depot. They're already there. And when you're up trying to put these up, to have them already pre-installed and easy to nail when you have them up there. So that's what comes in the box. And it's a pretty good deal. So let me finish this off for you. So this is what it looks like at night. Give you an example. I'm not sure how to get these I'm not sure how to get the cameras to really get HD. Anyway, this is a phone camera, so I'm outside and I haven't got this cleaned up yet, but here's an example of what I mean about installing them. Now this is coming from upstairs in the attic. I ran an extension cord all the way here, and what I'm going to do is get some type of probably Tupperware or something, and I'm going to place that inside of here and then put the lid on. I'm going to clean this up. This is an antenna. So what you want to do is place the connectors over the strip like so. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Now this is what it comes with. So you will have to go in and go buy screws, nails, and put the nails in there, versus if you go buy the ones that I said from Home Depot, the nails are already there and they're halfway driven in, which makes them very easy to just put on there and then nail it in. So as you can see, you just put them on the eaves and you run them along the house and you face them towards the house. So the light shines off the back of the house. So it gives you that one so that in turn will give you that one continuous light look, because you can't see the individual LEDs. So that's how you install them. So what I have to do is I'm going to connect the remaining piece here and go all the way there, straight down, all the way, and connect to the other side of the lights in the front where I've already installed those. So this is the other end that will connect, going all the way back around the back that I showed you earlier. So that should be enough for the light to reach all the way around to the front. So I have that one strip that went all the way from the side there and goes up all the way around, and it ends over here, and that's where I have another strip right there. I'm not sure if you can see that, but this is where the second strip goes, and it goes all the way around to the back that I showed you originally, all the way down to the back of the house. So 3 strips, 2 164 strips and 1 130. No, I'm sorry, that's a 98-foot strip. So that pretty much got me around the entire perimeter. So now I have the task of installing these to make it connect all the way around, so that I can have it completed around the entire house. And let me show you what I mean by controlling it with my phone. Hey Google, open curtains. Hey Google, turn on Christmas tree.
Got it. Turning on Christmas tree.
So I wanted to show you this. I'll get over here to it. So I bought several of these, came 4 in a pack, and those are smart plugs. So that's what's located at the other end of the light strip. And what I mean by other end is I have my extension cord leading from the plug, and I plug the other end to this. So now I can use my Google Home or Alexa or either my phone in order to turn the lights on and off. And I also can create a situation where I can have them come on dusk to dawn, or I can just make all kinds of little different patterns that I want as far as how I want them to turn on. And again, this is the remote. So first of all, I'm using a Tuya app. And this is how you can control it. Let's see if I can turn it around for you. I can turn my Christmas tree on, and I can turn any of these on and off, including the curtains and all that. But anyway, all that is on one system. After you get the plugins, you can pair it to your smart home, or just the app that I downloaded from the Play Store, and I'm able to control it by my phone. So this is what it looks like at night. Give you an example. I'm not sure how to get these I'm not sure how to get the cameras to really get HD. Anyway, this is a phone camera, so this is what I mean about the illumination of the lighting with the red. Let's see what we have here.